move forward to the next page. So you should be in here on pre-installation video 1, page 2. Now what's important here is that we're going to unpack the machine. So you're going to get your crate. Remember when they called you, you set up a time, they bring it to you. If you're a big machine, you got to have a forklift. So you bring it, you get it uncrated. If it's been sitting there, I need you to uncrate it now because we need to be able to report shipping errors within 30 days of you receiving it. So once you get it, uncrate it. If there's any damage on the crate, I want you to take pictures right off the bat. Now, when you're taking it off, I want you to take off the packing straps. They're on the belts themselves, keeping the carriage from sliding around. Real important. And then see if you have free motion there when you do that. Just because you're not plugged in right now, you should be able to take it back and forth. Then once you uncrate it, you're going to inspect the whole laser. Remember, you're going to have to take it off of its pedestals to get out of the crate. Also, take the top of the crate, lay it down, and that's your level to roll it off the top of the skid. You're going to have to take those pedestals all the way up, or you're not going to get it. Then you can unlock the wheels and roll it right into place. Put it right next in place where you're going to have your exhaust and close enough to the PC or Apple that's going to run it. And so that you can use either USB or Ethernet connections. The big thing is, like I say, if you do see ship damage, that you report it right away. Once you get it uncrated, do an inspection. Make sure everything's there. Did you order a round device? Is it there? You should be getting a chiller. You should, those of you that ordered without a chiller, buy a damn chiller. The tube is going to last 3 times as long and give you twice as much power and reliability. So the other thing is make sure the blower's there. Make sure the air pump is there. And like I say, if you're an LS, make sure you have a grid table. You should have a grid table. With HPs, you order those extra. With the LSs, they come standard. The big thing is when you look here, in case of fire, I want to put this in your head right before you even install the machine. Remember, you can have a fire extinguisher, but if you hit that laser with fire extinguisher, you're going to replace in the laser. So normally to stop a fire, all you got to do is raise the cover, turn the laser off, or blow it out. Have a little can of air or have an air nozzle from your air compressor to blow it out. I sometimes use a baby blanket because they're not flammable for something bad. Never, never, never walk away from the laser while the laser is running, especially if you're doing something flammable. All right, thanks.